updating your billing information on Multiplier is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Multiplier website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under your Profile menu. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Billing Information section. This area will display your current payment methods and billing details. Step 4. Update your details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied and confirm any prompts that may appear. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Multiplier. Regularly checking and updating your details will help avoid any payment issues in the future.